Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Shivkumar News. Here I am reading only newspaper article. This is our today article. What has been decided in the Pulichi sexual assault case? How were the accused identified by the Pulichi police and CBI? Why did the case gain political notoriety? Wilson Thomas, the story so far. 6 years ago, 9 men from Pollichi, Coimbatore were arrested for blackmailing, sexually assaulting, and videographing young girls and women between 2016 and 2018. The 9 men who have remained behind bars since their arrest have been prosecuted for multiple offences, including criminal conspiracy, sexual harassment, rape, gang rape, and repeated rape of the same woman. On May 13, the Mahila Court in Coimbatore found all 9 accused guilty and sentenced them to life imprisonment. The court also ordered the Tamil Nadu government to pay a compensation of 85 lakh rupee to 8 survivors of sexual assault. What is the case? On February 24, 2019, a college girl logged a complaint with the Pollichi East Police alleging sexual abuse by 4 men in a moving car near Pollichi 12 days ago. The 19-year-old was the first survivor to speak up against the group of youngsters who had allegedly been luring women and sexually assaulting them since 2016. The perpetrator filmed this sexual act, which they used for further exploitation. The police took up the investigation and examined the mobile phones and laptops of the accused. The gadgets contain numerous video clips of different women, from student to married women, who had been sexually assaulted at various locations by the accused. Most of these crimes had taken place at the house of one of the accused, K. Tirunva Kukeshkaru at Chinna Apparapalam near Pollichi, around 50 km from Coimbatore city. Sensing the gravity of the case, on March 12, 2019, the state government directed the crime branch CID to launch an investigation. Eventually, amid outrage, the then Idappi K. Palaniswamy government transferred the case to the Central Bureau of Investigation (CBI), and the agency took over the probe on April 25, 2019. What did the agency find? The Central Agency arranged N. Sabri Rajan, also known as Rishwant 32, K. Tiruvannav, Vukesh Karu 34, K. M. Satish 33, T. Vasant Tha Kumar 30, R. Mani, also known as Manivanan 32, P. Babu 33, T. Hieronymus Paul 32, K. Arulan Lantham 39, and M. Arun Kumar as the accused in the case. It found that Sabiranjan was the key perpetrator who lured the girls and women, including the complainant. The sexual assault of the first complainant, age 90, took place on February 12, 2019, in a car on Dhara Puram Road. They filmed the act and robbed her of gold chain. The girl informed her family only after the accused demanding sexual favor from her by the threatening to leak the video. Numerous videos of sexual assault were found on the laptop of Sabri Ranjan and the mobile phone of Tirunvukeshwar Karu. Using this, the police and the CBI identified the other accused and survivors. The case also stirred up a political controversy, as Arunalantham had been the All India Anna Dravid Munnetra AIDMK Pollichi town student wing secretary. He was expelled from the party after his arrest. Who were the survivors? Investigation revealed the accused targeted young girls and women from middle class and lower socio-economic background. Through the accused are suspected to have sexually exploited numerous women. Only 8 of them testified. The investigation faced backlash. Then Coimbatore District Superintendent of Police R. Pandirajan revealed the name of the complaint. It is believed some survivors choose to stay away from the investigation, fearing their identity would be made public. How was the trial conducted? A special court room facilitated was the created at the Coimbatore Court Complex in Coimbatore for the trial to protect the identities of the survivor. A chamber made of one-way glass prevented others from seeing the survivor during the trial. They were brought to court with extreme sorry extreme care while the accused were produced through video conferencing. The 6 years ago, 9 men from Pollichi, Coimbatore were arrested for blackmailing, sexually assaulting, and videographing young girl and women between 2016 and 2018. On February 24, 2019, a college girl logged a complaint with the Pollichi East Police alleging sexual abuse by 4 men in moving car near Pollichi 12 days ago. Investigation revealed the accused targeted young girls and women from middle class and lower socioeconomic background. Through the accused are suspected to have sexually exploited numerous women. Only eight of them testified. So guys, this is today video. Please like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for the more update and more video plus bell icon for notification. Thanks for watching. We meet you tomorrow next video. Jai Hind.